Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use picture-in-picture on YouTube on your iPhone. This lets you keep watching videos while using other apps at the same time. If picture-in-picture isn't working on your iPhone, don't worry because I'll show you the settings you need to enable first. So first, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Now tap Picture-in-Picture. Make sure that Start Picture-in-Picture automatically is turned on. Next, open the YouTube app and play any video you want. Let the video play for a few seconds first. Now swipe up from the bottom of your screen or go back to the home screen. The video should automatically shrink into a floating picture-in-picture window. You can drag the floating video around your screen or resize it with pinch gestures. You can also pause or close the video directly from the mini player. Once you're done, you can press the return icon to go back to YouTube. If picture-in-picture doesn't work, make sure that your YouTube app is updated and check if your account supports the feature in your region. Restarting the app can also help fix playback issues. And that's how to use picture-in-picture on YouTube on your iPhone. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials.